I often say to myself, screw it, I'm moving to a mountain town. I want to run with the horses. And hang with the cowboys. To live simply. To be connected to the land? That's the dream. The vacant mountain of powdery trees beckon me to stay. But I can't. Not yet. So I'll just have to keep coming back. And dreaming about winter and Steamboat.